Let's get into Chic. Okay, it's all about the camouflage. Okay, we're gonna do something really cute with the camouflage shorts for the winter. Okay, it's giving sporty, but make it chic. Okay, all right now. Let me move all of this stuff out of the way and show you guys a good time. Let's go. We're gonna get into camouflage shorts for the winter time, how to rock it, how to make it chic, you know, how to make it all that in a bag of chips. Okay, it's not just for sporty moments. Okay, it's not just for casual wear and to hang out and, like, you know, go get the kids and stuff like that. Camouflage items are always trending, in my opinion, and it's a classic cool piece. Okay, there are different types of classics. It's a classic cool piece. Okay, so let's get into it. Okay, as you know, a lot of folks go to the thrift stores and they get Ambercrombie pieces, you know, from way back when, that's still in good shape, still intact. Okay, so it's a brand that makes pieces that are strong, I believe. Okay, so these cotton camouflage shorts, camouflage for me is always a hit. It's a really easy way for me to kind of tap into my tomboy, edgy side, and it's a good opportunity for me to also you know, sprinkle some femininity with items like this. Okay, so this is a men's camouflage pants, and this is from Abercrombie. It's no longer available. Okay, the shorts for men, it's getting a little bit higher now for this year. So if you want something similar, after you see what I do with these shorts at the end of the video, if you would like something similar, I would suggest the Gap has really cool men's standard camouflage shorts, and also Wrangler on Amazon. You know, I'm an Amazon affiliate, so I also want to tell you that Wrangler, which I value the Wrangler brand when it comes to like denim and certain casual pieces. I feel like don't sleep on Wrangler. So Wrangler has the standard camouflage pants, shorts, also on Amazon for like 26 to 27 bucks. Like, come on. Okay, and I believe these are in a size 28 or 29. I'll let you guys know down below exactly what it is, so you know what to work with as well. I feel like it fits pretty true to size, and they're so comfortable, you know, and they're 100% cotton. It's lined on the inside. I feel like it's a great camouflage piece. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys how to rock this and like spruce it up, add some chic to it for the winter time. Okay, because we're not going outside cold and chilly anymore. Okay, that was last decade. Okay, girls want to be warm. Okay, we want to be warm, we want to be comfortable, we want to be toasty, we want that soft life out in the cold. Okay, soft life in the cold weather. Okay, that's what we're trying to give. Okay, we don't do discomfort now. The drawstring, so you could bring it up, you could bring it down. It's really cool. I got this from Macy's like a couple of years ago, and I figured I'd just let it hang off the shoulder, give it a little sexy, and I love the cropped here. And I'm learning to like go higher on the waist with the bottoms when I'm doing like crop tops, because it's really helpful for my shape and my girls, right? It gives the girls and things just more shape, you know, things are a little loose and a little higher up here, you know, if I'm doing like a crop top. So that's just a quick little tool and tip, you know, to try and look into. And I think it looks even more chic that way, okay, than wearing like a low-waisted pant, okay, or shorts, okay, with something cropped. Okay, so this is really, really cute, and I'm going to, and this is like a no brand, not like a big name brand. It's by the brand Love Tree, and they're sold at like department stores like Macy's, and you'll also find Love Tree like on Poshmark, you know, some used items. Like I said, I got this from Macy's in a size small. It's rayon with a little teeny bit of polyester and 4% stretch, and it's so comfy, you know, it's so comfy, it's so feminine. Highs. Oh, I have like, oh, this was underneath the rug, like a little a shell here, like African shell. So cute. I put those in my braids in the summer sometimes. Okay, when I do the box braids. So this is thigh high. And it's a great way to keep your legs warm. You know, it's what I have in my wardrobe that makes sense to me. But also, if I didn't like it, I wouldn't be showing it to you guys tonight. So, this is it with the boots. I'm gonna add my teardrop earring. Oh, so cute. So, so cute. And guys, I've been wearing my hair down a lot because I'm loving my hair. I just straightened it like yesterday and I refuse to put it up in a ponytail. But you'll see more ponytail looks as the weather gets warmer. But I'm loving the length and the body of my hair, okay? It's been 6 months since I permed it, and I'm so proud of where I am with my hair care, okay? So, to funk this up a little bit, I'm like loving the white with this, and I wasn't expecting to. Let me know what you think, okay? I don't want to look like I'm trying too hard either, but I'm really feeling the white shades with this. It's adding a pop of color that I didn't know I needed, and it goes so well with the gray in this outfit. I was gonna go with my fur jacket, but no. With the shades are so badass. Like, I needed like leather and to be given like Michael Jackson bad, you know, like Michael Jackson bad, okay? You know she's there, you know it, come on, cause the whole world adds that, boo, 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 doo, doo. Pat, 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 but two. Okay. Y'all know I can go from silly to very, very sophisticated. That's my superpower, okay? Okay, so what a stylish way to rock the camouflage shorts in the winter time, okay? I love the mix of like masculine and feminine, and the shades have like a more masculine type of shape to it, like the squareness, like the rectangular type of squareness, and it works. And then also the deep frame, the darkness of the frame. I mean, of the actual lens. So this is it for the daytime, and then you can just tote your little bag or whatever, or no bag, right? I'm not doing a bag with this. That's just too much for me. I just want to keep it chill, okay? Let me go run some errands in this. Okay, feel cute. Maybe go head to a museum. You know what I mean? Maybe I want to go to MoMA or the Guggenheim, you know, and look cute and chill. Okay. Yeah. Maybe I want to go walk the dog with a little style today, okay? Maybe not a long walk, but a little stroll up the street, okay? Maybe I live in the city and I want to, you know, have my neighbors see me looking fabulous. Maybe I just want to feel fabulous as I'm walking my dog. I could do whatever the hell I want to do because it's my style, okay? Okay guys, so let me show you how I would like maybe jazz this up even more. As if this isn't jazzed up enough, but something even more for like maybe going to get drinks or something, right? Okay, so we're gonna go out and get drinks. You know, it's more the evening time. I think I might take off the belt. Nah, not feeling the belt with this. And I'm gonna remove the earrings. And I'm gonna, these were a really great find. I find that these were a really great find. I am so immature. I love my quirks. I always did though. I never tried to change them. Okay, so these are my favorite boots. Okay, we're doing dressier boots. And I don't know where my green leather Fossil watch is. It's like hurting my heart. I had it for so many years. I just have these Michael Kors watch right now, and I have to get a new watch. And I like the Fossil brand for watches, for like, you know, casual, regular, everyday watch. So, and then I feel like I do need a bag with this look. Yeah, we're going out, so I'm gonna do the Stella McCartney, like the loop handle. It's small enough, it matches the boots really well, and I feel like the look is cohesive this way. A little fun, a little bling. Okay, maybe the average person isn't thinking, you know, or fashionable person isn't thinking, oh, let me wear camouflage shorts and dress them up and go to, you know, to get some drinks. Or maybe they are, okay? That's not like the standard thing, but I encourage it. If you can wear jeans and dress them up, you can dress up camouflage, okay? I encourage it. I think it's hip. I think it's chic. I think it has no age limits. I think all clothing and the way you decide to style them, it has no age limits. Do what feels good to you. It's a matter of preference and feeling. So this is the look, okay? And shades, okay, to add a little extra. And I like this look. I think it's cute. What do you think? Comment down below and let me know. So much for joining me for this style video. I just want to say real quick before I go that, you know, your style is your own. Stay true to it. Whether you like fast fashion pieces or slow fashion pieces, it's really about you wanting the piece, you gravitating to the piece, and you loving it as you're wearing it, okay? I am big on returning items that don't suit me, okay? So, you know, feel it out, wear it, see how it feels and how it can be incorporated in your wardrobe, what difference it makes. It might not make a big difference. It could just be you like it, you want it, okay? And I think that it's such a personal choice and that others don't have a say as to what you deem right for you and your body and the fit and everything, you know. So I like a lot of fitted clothing and I'm comfortable in knowing that. I like fitted clothing. I like a lot of my clothing tight. Okay, and been there, done that with the looser stuff. Been there, done that with all the colors and going big. You know, and this vibe that I have right now, this kind of girl next door thing, you know, I love it. This is so me, and it really is very low key for me. You know, I put energy into it, but I don't go overboard, and it's like a comfortable, like, sweet spot, you know. And sometimes it's not about the fear of trying something new. Sometimes it's just, I know what I like, and I know what makes me feel good, and I've tried a bunch of different things, and now I can narrow it down, and that's that, you know. And you don't owe anyone an explanation about your personal style. Okay? And I think we need to normalize, stop asking others what they think so much, because it's really all about what we think deep down. It's good to get, you know, suggestions, but I do feel like deep down, you make that final answer for you, and you have to know enough about yourself to answer that truthfully and to be comfortable in your clothing. You know, there's nothing more intimidating than going somewhere and not liking what you're wearing, feeling like your clothing is swallowing you up. And I'm not just talking about size or how big it is, but symbolically, like it's swallowing you up, it's eating you up, it's hiding you, or you just don't feel safe in it, right? You don't feel cool in it. There's nothing like worse than that. And I just learned today, like, sometimes keeping it simple for myself is key. I gravitate to the more simpler things, and I think simple can also be so sophisticated and so chic, okay? And yeah, so I hope you love this video. Let me know if you will do the camouflage shorts thing in the winter, okay? I feel like it's a hit, okay? Yeah, we'll talk, okay? I'll see you here again soon. Bad, she's bad, she's bad, you're bad, you're a baddie, you're bad, like Michael, you're bad, yes, you're bad. Tell him you're the best thing he ever had, okay? straight like that. I'm gonna go get a little snack, and I'll be back next Monday. Same time, same place. You know the vibe. Monday evenings. I love to love you. Bye. Bye, sexy ones.